Hey guys, what's up? Today I've come up with really interesting concept is to make this meenakari jhumkas. It's going to be absolutely easy and you'll love it. So let's get started. Also, if you're new here, I make videos on beauty, lifestyle, fashion, shopping hauls and lot more. Do not miss to catch up all that fun, and also click the subscribe button and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss any of my new uploads. So let's get started. Firstly, I'm going to paint these jhumka bases and let it dry completely so that I can do the work on further bases. Now that I have painted these jhumka bases, I'm going to let it dry completely and then I'm going to stick these gold chains to it. I have done sticking these gold chains to the jhumka bases. Now I'm going to let it sit for a while and then I'm going to paint some art meenakari jhumka design to it. I haven't shooted that, but you can definitely search some meenakari jhumka designs online and you can make it as you wish, but I have tried something here and now that my jhumkas are done, I have already kept my studs done and ready. So if you want to know how I've done those studs, then do let me know in the comment section below. I would love to answer you guys, and also say me how did you find these earrings, and I hope this video was useful to you guys. If you have enjoyed watching this video, then do like, share, subscribe and comment, and I'll catch you in my next video. Bye.